What's up, y'all? Basically, it's 5:34. We're just gonna say it's 5:30. You know, cause yeah, we are supposed to be checking in right now, but we are not because we got on the road late. But that's not what we're talking about right now. We're talking about me and my channel. So I got my car back packed, you know, the essentials in here. I'll show y'all what I have in here later when we're really on the road. Right now, we're not really on the road. It's starting to rain. I just hope it's not like this old. I hope it. So basically, we have all the family in the car. We got Emma, you know, at Emma channel.
It's at Pretty Girl Emma. Thank you very much.
We got her on her channel. We got little Jeremiah.
Pretty Girl Emma 10.
Period. We got Jeremiah with his little headphones in, not listening to nothing because he has no phone right now. Got my aunt right here. Pretty girl auntie. We're missing one of our family members. We're missing John. He's gonna be up here when he tells me his channel. Y'all follow him there. I'm gonna tell y'all.
I think he might have deleted his channel.
He did.
Does he still record on it?
He playing video games. Yep, he plays video games on his channel. I do vacation. Emma.
Shorts and everyday life, I guess.
Her. She got a vlog channel. I got my bonnet with my hair did.
Why do you only do vacation?
I like vacations.
I do anyway.
My scarf. You know. I got my hoodie in case we get cold. We finna be in the mountains in Massanutten. Posted a little, you know, post on my channel about it. Go look at it and follow me, you know. So you can be updated and everything on when I post.
What's wrong? Emma! Somebody look at her! What's wrong?
Okay, guys, we're back. We had some child technical difficulties, so yeah, that's over. Excuse me. We're about to go get John. So I guess, yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we go get the crazy.
Don't call my bro crazy.
Slow one.
Excuse me?
Okay, y'all, we got the problem. You know, we had to bring it along. It's mandatory for some reason. While we're on the road, I will talk to you guys.
Help! Help!
What you need help with?
It's gonna be a long trip. 2 hours.
His phone is back there. I don't know where it's
Where's his phone at?
Oh no.
Get up, Jerry. Where's your phone?
I've been moving them out. They stealing with me, then they got the blues in the car. To the boys with the blood in them out. Don't wear no shoes in my house. Now that I'm flying in, I know when to fly again. I take my 16 far. She sucking on, no hands with it. I just made it rolling clean like a president. President candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman. I've been moving real gangsters, so that's why she big. Shawty call me Chris Cole, cause I pop my yeah, I got mud. There's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, we
my dad ball? Where'd it go? Oh, his ball's all the way over there.
She can't even stop.
Holes right there. Come on, man. Oh, that's a hole in what? 2? Not yet though. Gotta be a hole in hopefully 3. Come on, Dad. We're holding 3. Come on, Dad. Hit softly, softly. Not that softly, Dad. Yeah. Come on, John. Your turn. Oh, Auntie's still going. Like always, she's still going. We're gonna wait for John. Come on, place your ball down, fella. Let's get a better view. Jeez. Oh, dang, that's crazy. Come on, John. Come on, John.
Oh, come on. Stay. Oh.
Did it fall into the water? Oh, no, it didn't. No, it didn't. It's just right there. See that? He got it. I think he hit it. You can't do that! You cheater. That's a hole in 8. 9, 10, top. Here go John's. Oh, Auntie's. No, he trying to hit me. Look at him. Never. Too old for this. Auntie, what's that? A hole in 7? Finally. Okay, let's go with John's ball. Jeff Cole. That's cause I'm ahead of y'all. I'm at 6. I'm waiting for y'all. Auntie said we gotta wait. There we go. Oh, you did it, Maya. Come on, Maya. Let's get some shots of you. No, you go. Go. Just go so I can get some shots. Shot. Here's another ball. Come on. Where did it go? Dang, sold it around there. She got it real close. Oh, come on, man. Maya, bite your ball, Maya. Oh, dang. That's like a hole in 4, 3? 4. 5. Woo! Maya, you cannot do that. Hey, boy. Wow.
It's a free event open to the community. Plenty of resources, food, games, face painting, and
Mom, you saw Leonard's number and we had a call. What, guys?
There.
Oh my Lord. Getting the kill. Hold up. Let me show this. No. Oh my God. Getting the kill. Yeah, I'm over here like, we out here waiting to get you and all that.
Emma.
10.
They know your name. We got my aunt. And my little cousin. I got my goggles, my bags while I'm there. Cause you know it's gonna be cold to this. I gotta change. I don't wanna be in no cold swimming suit. Guess what I'm forgetting? My towel. I be acting slow. You better get your towel, Emma. What are you talking about? Just get one when we pass downstairs. Come on.
Look at the house I made. I made it with a tutorial though.
I don't think that.
You can see they had book towels.
Guys, it's your girl at Kayla VK Official, and we are going snow tubing without any snow though. I am recording. We are up here, you know, getting our stuff, and we're about to get on this escalator.
Can you imagine doing that on ice?
I cannot. I'm gonna be terrified. We'll tell y'all when I get up there. Peace. Guys, we are officially on the escalator coming up to go snow tubing. We got the tube right here, you see? It's not like a drop, but it's a drop. We are at Massanutten still, and guess what? There's gonna be a little sneak peek at the end of, of when you see us, when you see me, go ziplining. Zipline right up there. And then we got Auntie behind us with Maya. John had to leave for work, sadly, and my dad did too. So it's just us four. It's just 3 girls and 1 boy up here trying to get some fun before the school year starts. Remember guys, I'm on a mission to get to 50 or 100 subscribers by the end of the summer. So subscribe to help me get to my goal. Thanks you. So we're just up here. I'm about to send them a tube.
Michaela, stop!
I can't, I'm stuck.
Michaela!
She's a scaredy cat. Don't worry. I just sat in her tube while she was pulling it. How was you gonna fall? My auntie could do it with Jeremiah.
Literally, like this, about to fall.
Fall onto what? The tube. Auntie's always nagging.
After I did this the second time, I might want to go on the zip line so I can do this is high.
Which zip line? That zip line or this zip line?
Okay.
Okay. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh, look at these people. I don't even know if y'all can see them. They were there. It's about to be very terrifying. I don't know what these yellow things are.
I think it's for air.
Maybe.
Yeah, because you see the cool air around here. I think that's what's circulating.
This is a kind of steep drop. But it's not like a drop. Because that's what I thought the snow tubing was going to be. I thought it was going to be a big drop, you know? But I guess snow tubing isn't. We'll probably come back here in the winter. They go a little fast, but you guys know. I'm adventurous, so it's a little boring for me going down these tubes. And it's not going amazingly fast, like 20 miles per second. That's what I need. I need something so fast that I can go and travel into time. They're all the way back there still. I'm carrying my tube, Emma's carrying hers. This is gonna take me forever to edit. Okay, talk to you guys, you know, when we get on here. Officially at the top, about to snow tube. That guys, all those people, but me, Auntie, Emma, and Jeremiah are going all 4 together. So, talk to you guys when they get up here. Oh, they're here. That was fast. I'm gonna sit on my tube while we wait. There was just like hundreds of people on this line. The guy that's pushing us down, he's kicking people down. Emma, back up. They're about to all go together. You ready, Maya? You ready? Let me high five. You crazy.
Hey. Come on, Dizzy. We're gonna go live.
Auntie, you ready? You ready? I thought we was going together. Yes, we can. We just saw 4 people do it. Told you.
I might want to go by myself.
The heaviest one has to be in the front, the lightest in the back. And then just line up.
You riding by yourself? So y'all go ahead, I'm going to
Okay.
this man during my last ride.
This is ours too. Yeah, they said we can only do it twice. What? I want to go ziplining.
Oh yeah, you forgot you ain't do that yet.
And Emma says she want to go ziplining on the baby one. Oh, guys.
She gonna do the course again.
Yeah, I guess. That's too long. Little kids kept getting scared of stopping. I was getting irritated. Like, I'm not about to do this if they're going to keep stopping.
What am I gonna do? I'm supposed to be boring.
You going by yourself, Emma? He was about to go down. He works here. Guys, I'm about to go on. Gotta wait for these people beside me and Auntie. I'm gonna go by myself, okay, Auntie? Y'all gonna go together? Oh, Emma's down there. You guys can go check out her video on her channel about how she went down. I gotta push my stuff out the way because I put it in there.
Go to the front and sit back. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is so cool. I need one of these at home.
Ready, Emma?
No!
If you'll press the right trigger for me.
Okay, you have to play, not to
In a second, it's going to say the game has started. You'll enter through the gate, take a right, and the zombies will start swelling and get increasingly faster.
All right, it's open. The gates are open.
Oh,